All right, what's going on, y'all? Today we're gonna be doing a trade recap on the trades I took today, um, and a little insight into why I am down, uh, a little bit over 3,000 today. Um, so yeah, let's just get right into it. I was looking for downside today. Uh, as you can see, going into today, we kind of ranged. Um, didn't go but nowhere. Um, so I was like, okay, looking to get a downside move, which we got. Um, but somehow we still ended up red. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Definitely overtraded today. Something I normally do a good job at. Or if I normally take about 2 trades a day, if that. Really only take one. Uh, like I said, today we overtraded a bit. And we paid the price for it. So it's not really much. Uh, it's not really much we could do. Um, so yeah, as you can see, going into today, we've got our kill zones marked out. Uh, we took out London, took out Asia, which normally would put you in a good position to um target higher. This is a 2 minute. If we go down to the 1 minute, I believe you got an entry. Uh, I'm looking for it, or maybe just a better entry, or maybe not. But yeah, like the move up was solid, right? Um, I was waiting for London to get taken out, and then uh our previous day high, which is right here, I was waiting for that to get taken out so I could target downside. Just the way the market was moving today, I was bearish. And the S&P didn't take out these lows down here, um, which left me more bearish. um, so yeah, once we took out, uh, sorry, give me a second. I don't know how to do the little circle thing, but once we took out these highs, I'm sorry, this high right here, which was London's overnight high, and then Monday's high, which is this other red line above that. We put in a we put in this move going up, right? Um, so as y'all know, if y'all in the Discord server, we do trade based off of an inverse model. I would say a good majority of the time. Um, so once we inverse this bullish gap and got this closure down here, on this candle down here, that was our signal to hop in short. Stop above the high, and then we target the lows. That stop was a little bit too wide for me. Uh, Even though I sized down today, I was trading the micros, because I was like $200 more away from a payout. So I didn't want to jump in a mini and set myself back. So we hopped on the micros just to get like catch the trend, catch a bigger move. So we didn't take the closure of that candle, and that's a crazy candle, might I add you. Like it, the inverse is going crazy. So we waited for price to tap back into halfway of the candle, Our stop was above this high, and our target was this low. If I zoom out and show you guys this trade hit TP. We took this live on the stream. I believe I ended stream somewhere around here. And was giving you guys updates in the Discord. I think I told them to go break even right here, because as we started to trade into this 5-minute gap, I felt less confident about this trade. And then on top of that, the fact that we didn't get a closure under, like, inverse in that 5-minute gap, and this was just a wick. I really didn't like it. So told them to go break even. So you go break even on a trade, risk free, and then you just let it ride out. Just came all the way back up and then sold off some more. So beautiful trade. Made a little bit over 1,000 on this trade right here. Trading the micros. So beautiful. That's where I should have stopped. That's where I should have stopped. So I trade options and futures. Really this year, since the beginning of this year, we've been doing like really good on options. So I was I've been like more aggressive on that, and our strategy is slightly different as well. Or like the model that we take is a little bit more riskier on the option side, given we do only trade 0 day expiration, and we size our contracts to 0. So it's a bad day. Every day can't be green. Let's see. We ended up taking this on the future side. I do watch NDX just to get better strike prices, to see where I want to be at. I really don't get too much into options like the Greeks and all that, but I do know how to trade them. So like I said, we had this 5-minute that I have marked out over there on NQ, and I took most of my positions off the table at this low, or once this wicked above and didn't close. I think I left one for a runner to catch like the rest of this move, but the stop loss on that was at break even. So like I'm now moving on to the next trade. Should I have? Probably not. Like we going into lunchtime. Literally it's 12 o'clock. Normally I'm done by now. I decided to jab at something, and it made me pay. So I seen that we didn't inverse this 5-minute. So I just took a jab at calls. NDX calls. Like I said, size to 0. Looking to target was that high. Like we gotta move up. But they was like chewing at premiums today, so I think like maybe it was up like 20-30%. Mind you, that's like nothing. We normally let those joints ride anyway. And yeah, we got fried on it. There's no other way to put it. We got fried on it. Never seen that, and this was the result. We just went straight down. So yeah, man, lost like 4 bands on that. So yeah, it was a nice little It was a nice little hit, but it wasn't too bad. Uh, Looking back, I would say definitely over traded. Shouldn't have even took this trade. We were in shorts on NQ. Over here, we literally just about top ticked it. Jumped in the short somewhere up here and had a beautiful entry on that. So there's no reason to, be greedy and try and catch it going down and catch it going up. So me hopping in longs was just a bad draw. Uh, like I said, we live with it. Um, it's just it's nothing. It's only Tuesday. Tuesdays tend to be, a iffy day for me personally. Um, but Wednesdays are literally my best days. So we're gonna come in swinging tomorrow. But if y'all enjoyed this little recap, if y'all want to see more recaps, if it's something um y'all want me to add, in the recaps to talk about, uh, comment below. Text them to me in the Discord server, and I will definitely get that done for y'all. But without further ado, that's all I got. We're gonna keep it short, keep it sweet, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for New York's Open.